Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 96. Couple of more episodes and we'll have 100. I see the chat is active. Seems like good morning, Hania. Well, good morning for you, Hania. For me, it's evening. Hey Michael, hey Bukur, hey everyone, hey Christian. Hania is preparing something nice for, if I remember correctly, for 100 episode. Now, nice time to be alive in crypto. We not question about it. Nice time to be alive. Bitcoin is trying to get 100k level. That's the dream of Bitcoin maximalists and not only crypto enthusiasts, to see Bitcoin at 100k. Will succeed from the first time, like I said in the daily crypto plan? Probably not. Someone doesn't want that Bitcoin to exceed that level. That will start the public coming in, and the big guys, I don't think they want the public coming in without them having all the bags really well packed. Just my 2 cents. Now, you can see my my image. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. At least what YouTube is telling me. Bukur, if you want, you can confirm that, or someone else. Now, let's go and see Bitcoin on higher time frame. Now, let's look at higher time frame perspective first, as usual. Now, nice time to be alive again. Remember, 2024 is buy the dip year. Now, sounds really nice when you say it, no? But in the beginning of the year, here, when I said buy the any dip, it's a buying opportunity. Not exactly in Bitcoin, but in general. Yeah. Market is strong. I was yelling here. And not me, multiple traders said that. Well, something is changing in the market. This is not a bearish pattern. Well, now everyone is bullish. That scares me a little bit, I'll be honest. That scares me a little bit. I don't think this is the top. It's not probable to have the top now, but could be the local top. Well, just look at the numbers there. 100k, we almost touch it. Yeah, almost touch that level. And if you'll go on Twitter, you'll see that multiple traders posted that someone put a big wall there at 100k, and they don't allow the price to go above that level. Yeah. In my humble opinion, they are preparing themselves. They are preparing themselves. Well, it's ready. We have everything set up. We can get the public in. We can milk them. We can take their money. If their conclusion will be yes, they'll create more hype. Price will go above 100k level, maybe 120, maybe more. What the public will hear in the news? Bitcoin, it's above 100k, to the moon, $1 million. Yeah? And public will come, buy the top. They will unload all the bags on Bitcoin, yeah, to the public. Then they'll go and buy some altcoins. They'll shield the altcoins. They'll unload the altcoins on the public. And that's how the money are transferred from the stupid to the smart money. Simple as that. And not only on crypto, in every market is the same. Okay? Now, let's see some indicators here. I don't see anything bad on RSI 1 weekly. RSI just got in the overbought area. That's not bearish. Look at OBV. OBV is telling us, well, all it's safe is nice and clean. Okay, so we don't have weekly divergence. We don't have not even potential weekly divergence. Nothing. It's just clean. This will be the top. If I look in 2017, if I look in 2021, I don't think so. Now, it's normal that the price will reject 100k multiple times. Well, even Imagine how many people they have their targets there without the smart money, without anything else. How many people who bought? Let's imagine people buying with us below 20k, buying with us here. They want to sell some at 100k. I will. Why not? We'll go to 150. We'll go to 200. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. So people will sell here. That's why I think this level will be a real fight. Either this is the local top and we'll go back down here to test 74, 75. We don't have any support until there. Yeah? And then load again, and beginning of the next year we can push higher. Either we'll exceed this one and we'll go higher, 110, 100 and something, and then we'll correct. Because we'll have a sharp correction at some point in time. Not the end of the bull market, just a sharp correction, 30, 35%. Not a correction like this. This was a clear one, accumulation one. You'll have this up and down, violent moves. And we didn't have yet. This was a consolidation. This was in time something different. Let's look left. Look at this one. Okay, look here. You didn't have 1 year of consolidation. You had up, down, and up again. Something like this we need to see. And when you see something like this, you will see the public selling the bottom, buying the top, and so on. Hey, Catalin. So that's my thinking on weekly chart. People are saying, well, in the fall of 2025, we'll have the top. Well, if you remember, we discussed that. It's possible, not probable, but it's possible that we'll have the top in the end of 2024, beginning of 2025. And it's becoming more probable day by day. Just imagine now to go back down here at 70 or 60 and stay there until the middle of the next year and then to push higher. Possible, but looks like the market wants higher. Well, that's Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see daily chart. I think daily it's looking a bit different. On daily chart we have the house level. If you remember, we said fight at this level. We fight at this level. Now we're stopping here at 100k, big fat round number, the biggest number as until now. Nothing bad with fighting this level, but my house levels are trying to tell me that after we accepted above this level, we should go to the next one, 110. Usually, the house levels are working like a charm. Let's see how good they are this time. Yeah, it's not something 100%. Nothing is 100% in trading or investing. So I trust the house levels. I see the 100k level there, and I'm just wondering what will happen. But I'll stay with the same phrase that annoyed a lot of community members. Yeah? Repeat after me. You know what is next? Please type in the chat if you know what is next. And I'll keep saying that. Yeah? Repeat after me. Just be careful how much money you risk, because we'll have, we don't know when, but we'll have sharp retracements. 10, 20, 25%. And if you are risking too much, you'll destroy your portfolio. So play with Holy Grail if you want to chase the market. Why? Holy Grail has a clear, hard stop loss. Okay? And don't overreact, don't risk too much. If you have 3, 4% from your trading portfolio in the market, is more than enough. And now we cannot talk about short and long, because we should not even think about shorting the market. You want to hedge your portfolio at 100k? Be my guest. Do it. You want to short altcoins here? No. At least I cannot see that. Okay? Exactly, Catalin. We need that tattoo. No, wait, let's just I prefer to annoy people every morning in the daily crypto plan. Yeah? Repeat after me. No, Miku is not all in time. Never. It's never a all in time. I don't see something like that. Yeah? You still, the approach is you don't get rich in one day or in one trade. You took 1, 2, 3 trades with 1% risk. You have 4% risk, total risk on your portfolio. Trading portfolio should be separate from your investment portfolio or your investment portfolios. Okay? You took a 4% risk. You are winning and you are making 10% from your account. Well, you should say thank you. Okay? You lost 4%. Well, it hurts. Well, so be it. Next bus. But you get the idea. You don't risk more than 3, 4, 5% from your portfolio in any given point of time. Because if Bitcoin will drop 10%, I don't care what altcoin you have, that altcoin will stop you out. Simple as that. I know there are basic things, and Miku, it's ironic, it's trying to annoy me a little bit, but basic things people are not respecting. That's why I prefer to repeat it over and over again. You can get poor in one day. Yeah, Grega, you can get poor in one fucking trade. And one mistake, not one trade. You try to take a trade, you put a zero more, and you are not paying attention until you'll see what you did, you're gone. You don't have any trading portfolio. And maybe you worked on that trading portfolio, I don't know, half a year, 1 year, maybe more. Okay, now let's see what we have on the other charts. So that's Bitcoin indicators. We have something here. On daily, we have something here, something to keep us, at least like Brian likes to say, cool your jets. What we have here? Can you tell me what we have here on RSI? I don't have the close yet, so it's not confirmed yet. We have a small bearish divergence confirmed here. And now we have a bigger one that is trying to confirm. If today will close below this level with the RSI, that this divergence will be confirmed. And it's a NYAM and it's a confirmed bearish divergence in the overbought area. We should pay attention to these signals. So on daily we are strong, on weekly we are damn strong, on daily we can stall a little bit. So at least we should cool off a little. Well, let's wait. Don't FOMO buy and buy market everything. Just wait a little bit. Yeah? But what it's cooling off for Bitcoin could give us an opportunity to buy more altcoins. If Bitcoin will drop here, will drop to 70k or 80k in this area, people, that's the last chance, good chance you will have to buy cheap altcoins. I still have some cash, some dry powder, like the old traders love to say. I still have some. If Bitcoin will drop straight to 70k, will test 69, well, that will give me the opportunity to buy the cheapest altcoin possible. And I know if I'll manage to buy in that moment, I know the next day, the next 2 days, I'll have a sell half on a double on altcoins. And I'll get in a free position. Recover my dry powder back and accumulate some free altcoins. I think it's a damn good plan to do that. At least in my view. I don't know if it will happen, but if it will happen, I'm prepared for that scenario. And you should be prepared also. Now, let's see OBV. We have something on OBV? No, OBV is damn strong here. So RSI is telling us to cool off a little bit. Let's just wait. Let's be cautious a little bit here. I'm really curious how this one will close at the end of the day. Equal altcoin apocalypse? No, the altcoin best Black Friday. Grega, huh? Just consider Black Friday for altcoins. Go and buy everything. Huh? At least that will be me yelling and trying to buy everything. I set some alarms for that. So people, prepare yourself. Don't wait for that to happen. And well, what I should do until you wake up, the market is back up. So keep some cash, some USDT, some USDC prepared for that scenario. And like I told you my plan, I'll buy as fast as possible if we'll hit 69, 70K. I'll not panic. I'll buy the favorite altcoins because I know most probably, I'll buy on spot. I know most probably in next 2 days that altcoins will be double the price from that dip. So then I'll sell half on a double, recover my cash back, so prepare for the next round, and I have more altcoins. This is the perfect plan. If that scenario will play out. If not, will remain just a scenario in my head. Okay? Now, that's Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Well, you can see Ethereum, it's a bit different. Let's look at weekly. We didn't look at weekly on Ethereum from a long time ago. Sorry about the fact that this chart is a bit crowded here. I don't know why I see this one on weekly. I don't want to see it on weekly. I want to see it on daily. So let's hide weekly. Let's clean it up a little. I think it's clean enough. You can see Ethereum, it's in a total different situation than Bitcoin on weekly chart. We just made a weekly W and we did a breakout. A retesting. That will be a damn good gift. To see Ethereum at 2,800. I don't think will happen, but that will be, if Bitcoin will drop, that will happen. And if you'll get Ethereum at 2,800, 2,500, imagine what will happen with the meme coins or altcoins that are Ethereum based. Just imagine. That's opportunity there. But for the moment, Ethereum is trying to get in the short reload zone here. If you look left, you'll see why it's stalling, why it's stopping, why it's not going straight up. Once we'll clear this level, $4,000, then the next level will be straight 4,800. And after that, price discovery, we don't know. Okay? And I think this cycle, Ethereum will get in the price discovery. I know, a lot of people are bearish. No, Ethereum is dead. Well, we joked enough on Ethereum. We joked enough on Vitalik and his girlfriend. Let's take it seriously. And let's play setups and let's play the chart, not stupid things. At least that's my view. So, seeing Ethereum here back in the long reload zone, well, that will be a gift for me. And I'll try to take advantage here. Now, that's weekly. Indicators, you can see the RSI. Coiling off, accepting above 50%. OBV is stalling, but that's not bearish what you see here. That's actually not bearish. Sometimes you'll see the volume coming in after the breakout. And damn, that's strong. Okay? Well, I'm not bearish on anything, Grega. Let's just put it that way. I'm not bearish on anything. I'm bullish as fuck. I'm more bullish than Moon Boys. I told you from the beginning of 2024. People, I'm more bullish than the Moon Boys. Just that I don't have the same approach, straight up. To the moon. I have to see what is in front of me. I want to see the chart. I have to see the reality. But I'm more bullish than them. And I don't panic like them. Why I should panic in an exponential move? Any retracement, it's a buying opportunity. It's that simple. Play stupid game. Yeah? Any retracement, it's a buying opportunity. Use Holy Grail, 5, 15 minute, 1 hour chart. Buy the dip. Okay, now, that's weekly. Let's go on daily. Well, on daily, I was thinking kind of a AB equals CD setup here, kind of a Brian Beamish bot setup. My setup with AB equals CD, it's acceptable. I could see it here. Brian Beamish, well, we need another low here. So we need to retest here. So just at least to retest this W. So 3,200, 3,000 and something to create 1, 2, 3 lows and then to push higher to $4,000, it's even probable here. I could see it, yeah. I'm long already, yeah, I'm long already. I'm in a free position here. We got at 1-to-1, close 50%. My stop loss is still here. So if that scenario played out and we'll go back down, take the entry and then push higher, I'm more than happy to take some money. Okay, that's my scenario. Let's just show you what I'm thinking here. So we have 1, 2 lows. We are accepting, confirming the W. Now we are going back down, retesting. We don't know how deep, but this will create the third low. And then we should push up. And that will be the bot setup. Classic bot setup from Brian Beamish. I'm already long because I have a different version of that setup. I have AB equals CD. Give me a touch of 33% and I'll take the W. I prefer the W below 33% because that's classic, but keep in mind how strong this move was. Well, I said, well, let's take it. Maybe I'll get at 1-to-1. And I got to 1-to-1. I'm in a free position. Okay, so that's the bullish scenario here. And we are here in this move. You can call it wave analysis. You can A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, do whatever you want. I call it W breakout and retest. Simple. I think my way is simpler than other, but that's my opinion. So that's Ethereum here on daily. I don't like what I see here on RSI. I'll tell you that. I don't like what I see on OBV. I could tell you that. It's a different kind of divergence here we don't use on Crypto Traders Arena. Because it's a continuation move, I could see a hidden bullish divergence. I could see it, but I don't use that one too much. I'm not a specialist. I just look at it and I'm suspicious. I'm just waiting a little bit. I'm more careful. Classically, this will confirm a bearish divergence. But if it's a continuation, that is actually just giving some room for the indicators to cool off for the next, for the CD part. Huh? Okay, well, let's read the chat a little bit. Well, I don't see anything wrong with the chat. Seems like people are enjoying. Yeah, Grega, you know I'm bullish. I think everyone in Crypto Traders Arena is bullish. Even Ken, the Papa Bear, we made fun of that, managed to buy some altcoins exactly at the right time. And I told him, well, buy some altcoins, buy some altcoins. And at the last moment, he said, okay, I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it. So I removed that nickname, Papa Bear, and now it's Ken again. That's my view here on Ethereum on daily. I don't think it's the case to go on lower time frame to do anything here. Let's go to the Bitcoin dominance one. Nice developing here. Expanding volatility. Not a clear EM here, but we can form, like I said. Now, if you'll give me something like this, I'll go on daily. I'm actually on daily. If you'll give me something like this, sorry, not this one. Now, bounce back here and give me an M here. On 4-hour chart, I don't need a daily. That will be my signal to be a bit more aggressive. Because if we'll push here, altcoins will be in a kind of probably in a dump. And that will give me, okay, I have an M somewhere in this area. Because we confirm this is not a classic M because we took the liquidity. But it's even better if we'll push back up and will give me another M here. That will be kind of an ugly head and shoulder pattern. It's not a textbook one. I could see it. Okay, this is the neckline. We are way lower than that. I get that idea. But if I'll see an M on 4-hour chart here in this area, that will be my trigger. Overall, everyone is saying, well, Bitcoin dominance will go to 70%. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. But it's a different market. We have too many altcoins. That will be an extreme case, Bitcoin dominance to go to 70%. In this environment with so many altcoins. I know in the past, well, Bitcoin had 80% dominance. After that, the next cycle, well, the Bitcoin dominance was at 70. Now it's at 60. Seems like it's a pattern. Stepping down the lower highs. Too many altcoins in the market. It's hard for the Bitcoin dominance to push all the way up to 70-80%. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm saying it's improbable to happen. So me looking at a top between 60 and 64, 65% seems logical. At least for my approach, for stupid trader approach, for my mentality, for my opinion. Yeah, so it's up to you. Maybe you are thinking, well, you're not right. We are talking opinions, people. We're not playing setups here. And my opinion, it's exactly like yours, 2 cents. But my logic is this. Let's zoom out on one weekly chart. Let's look back. Can you see a pattern? 2016. Before the bull market on altcoins started, exponential part, was 96. Well, 96. Okay. We dropped down. Then we reached here this 73%. Keep in mind that we have a lot more altcoins. You think this could be the top? Keep in mind that if you draw a short reload zone, we are in the short reload zone here. You can see I even draw it here. I don't have the fib. But this is the short reload zone. I am entitled to look for a top in Bitcoin dominance in that area. I think so. Could ugly things happen to something bad will happen and will go to 75, just a spike and then go back down? Yeah, it's possible. It's crypto after all. But I think I have the so-called right to think top here in the 60% area. Now, next one. And a funny and nice one. I'll start with weekly. I have to start with weekly here because if you remember, all the members remember, I was live streaming every Wednesday night in my time zone with Brian here. And we broke out and we made this range. And I said, well, we need to go back down. We need to touch the support. We don't have anything here. And took a long time, a painful waiting. But we are back in the long reload zone. And some people are still bearish on Ethereum. Now, they changed their Bitcoin and Ethereum here, and now at 78.6, all of a sudden are bearish. Well, I don't know what to say about that. I told you what to do. I told you my 2 cents. I'll go on daily and you'll see it. Okay? On daily, I'm thinking bullish here. Let's wait. And I posted here. I'll post here again, and I'll say it loudly. Don't be bearish here. Not because I say so, just because we are at the trend line from the megaphone. We are at 70.6 long reload zone. We should think long here. Not because Paul J said so. No. Paul J is just a stupid trader. Just because the market, it's in a long reload zone, it's retraced already 78.6 from the top until now. That's why you should respect, don't be bearish here. Not because I said so. What we are waiting for a W. Like I said, I don't know where will this W happen. I hope that will happen here in this trend line at 78.6. But we'll see something. I hope that will not see a straight up move. And we'll have the chance to see a clear W, to have time to load, to change our bias and do different things. That's the perfect scenario. What the market will give us? Well, I don't know. I don't know, honestly, what the market will give us. But that's my thinking. W somewhere in this area. Indicators, well, some bullish divergence trying to form here. Even some Ws on RS, no OBV, they are trying to come in. So I think we should pay attention and hunt the Ws. There are people that they are trading the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. I'm not doing that. I prefer to trade everything against USDT or USD, and that's it. Now, we should start the fun part with total market cap. Let's do that. Total 1 or total. We accepted above the old all-time high. We are officially in the bull market. You cannot say we are not in a bull market when the total market cap is above the old all-time high. It's normal to do so. We'll do the same exponential move like last time? Nah, I don't think so. Look at the last move, look at this move. If you put logarithmic, you'll see it. You will see a different picture. Yeah, this was the exponential move in the one cycle. This is the exponential move in the second one. And now maybe we'll do something, but in percentage a little bit less. Because the market cap is bigger, the volume is bigger, it's slower, and we cannot. It's one thing to push from $1 to $10, and it's a different thing to push from 20K to 100K and beyond that. No, you need a lot of more money. Now, let's not push this one. So we are there. Usually we get a retracement. We get a retracement, some kind of retracement here. You can see, look last time. Let's give you an example, because you don't need to trust me. You should look by yourself. You can see all-time high on the total. We pushed higher. Well, bull. Okay, we retraced, we retested. And not exactly Wyckoff check, but close enough. And then we pushed straight up. So I am expecting something similar. At some point to see a retracement. That's a buying opportunity. When you see something like this. And keep in mind, now looks small, but keep in mind we had the market cap with red and high volatility. Look at the weeks, 2 weeks in a row. It's not easy to trade the market like this. All the people know that. They saw it with their own eyes. And they know it's not easy. They are more prepared than at least the new people. Well, guys, I hope you understand my English. I learned it by myself. So if you understand what I'm saying, with all my mistakes, it's good. I'm not an influencer. I'm not a guru. I'm just a stupid trader that is trying to keep a nice community together and help as much as possible to make a lot of money this bull cycle. Okay, so that's my thinking. We can push higher, but we'll have a sharp retracement pretty soon. I don't know. Next week, in December, I don't know exactly when. Total 2. You can see a different image here. Well, we can have a retracement to retest these levels here, but I think AB equals CD, I think 1.7 trillion in next period. You can see AB consolidating everyone. Well, I don't know about bull market. Well, we discussed this level, 1 trillion, big fat round number. If we exceed that level, we should push straight in the short reload zone. Well, we did that. We took this level and pretty easy to take the next level. 1.3 to 1.7. It's doable pretty fast. Now, total 3. Well, we have the retracement, Sunday retracement now seems like, and people are, I don't know, becoming bearish here. Well, I'll tell you what, after I'll finish the live stream, I'll go and scan the market for buying opportunities. I want to see Bitcoin, if I see some signs that is recovering. I don't have time now because I'm live streaming, but I'll be exactly after the live stream, I'll look for some opportunities. And I hope Stefan is paying attention and is feeding them with some analysis. I'll just quickly look here. Well, we are still, didn't took this SFU. Now, total 3, it's looking, it's recovered some ground. If you are looking at total 2, now we are kind of the same. And total 3 with a nice move up from some altcoins could push a lot higher. You can see the all-time high from total 3. That's easy peasy for this market. We are close to 1 trillion. We are stalling at 1 trillion. Well, that's normal. And the top, it's at 1.1. And people are bearish on altcoins. I'll show you some examples on daily, weekly chart, and you'll see what I'm saying. Okay, now that's total 3. I'll take a quick look at ES on daily. I don't need weekly. And as we discussed, AB equals CD is completed. Who's watching the daily crypto plan knows. Yeah, AB equals CD completed. I said, as long as we are above this level, the market is strong. And we aimed out, we retested that level. Classic in an uptrend, we pushed higher, made a new high, go back down, retest that level, and we're pushing higher. Now we have another test. Here, we are testing the M. If we'll accept, well, that means continuation of the trend. If we am out here and we'll go sideways, that means from an uptrend, we are in a ranging market, which is really nice for people like me, for people like Abdullah, who prefer to trade the range market and play the 7.8.6. Yeah, the shark setup. Really, really nice for us. If it's an uptrend, well, let's repeat the process. We can trade. I'm not trading the traditional market. I'm just blabbing away, giving you my opinion, what I see in the market. But I'm not actively trading the traditional market. Not now. In the bear market and the next bear market, you'll see me more active there. Yes, on everything else, even Forex. Yeah. DXY, strong like bull. We are getting closer and closer to the short reload zone. I said 110 is my target. And I want to pay attention after we'll reach 110. Why? Let's look left. Okay, you can see the initial M breakdown. Needs a retest here. So I want to see that level retested. That will coincide with the Trump getting the office and starting everything over. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'll give you, because I have this list from Zach. Was a nice list a couple of days ago. Now it's not so nice because the altcoin's pumped. I'll give you this list, then I'll go on lower time frame a little bit. We'll look at the calendar, road to financial freedom a little bit, and then we can do other things. So let's start with this one on weekly. Okay, I'll start this list. I have it here, so why not? IXS. Guys, look at this list, look at this chart on weekly basis. Just look what I have here. What do you think will happen next? We can consolidate more, of course. We can even test that 2.5 level. We can do that. But overall, in the next 6 months, what do you think will happen with this coin? We have a reasonable thinking that we'll touch $40, that we'll touch even $100, even to test the high. Well, it's improbable to test the high. That was a specific high there. Could repeat that? I don't know. But we can think 38.2 or a 50% bounce. You think you can make some money with this one? Let's put some ink there. Let's put this. Well, that's the scenario. That's the best scenario. Imagine you buy at 7 and you sell at 100. Well, I think you can make some money there. Well, short reload zone is too much, Paul. Let's do something simpler. Well, let's put 50%. Well, that's 85. Still a damn good bet. Let's say, okay, let's put a short reload zone, or let's put dump chaser zone. Huh? 38.2. You think we can get at $66? Almost a 10x. If we'll push from here to $70, you have your 10x. Okay? So, look at this one. And people are looking at totally different things. Looking at Bitcoin on 100K. It's shiny. It's glowing. Come on. The smart people are looking at things like that. Not specifically IXS, but in general. They are looking at what didn't pump yet. Let's make some money at it. They have a different power. They have the power to influence the market, to push it higher. We don't have that, but we can be smart like them and buy the bottom because we know they will be there. Just my 2 cents. That's one. Let's go to the next one. Look at this one. Well, it's dead. Well, I don't think it's dead. This OBV here tells me that it's not dead. Sorry. This OBV is telling me, well, Paul, I don't think it's dead. I think it's trying to do something else here. Just look at it. Look at this OBV. It's dead. The price looks dead. If I'll zoom in, sorry, you'll see it's not so dead. And when Zach said, well, you want weekly W? Let me give you some. The market was here, exactly here. Yeah, in this area. At $4.5. Now it's at 5.3. You should chase here? No, look left. You have some resistance. So probably what will happen, if everything is working properly here, well, you'll have a top here or maybe higher, or I probably will stop somewhere in this area. We'll come back. We'll retest that W. And bye-bye. Something like this. Weekly W, breakout, retest, and see you next time. Or we can consolidate here, but anyway, zooming out again, zooming out on higher time frame, this is a fucking good level to buy it. This all we spoke about last 2 years here. Yeah? Me, Kevin, and everyone else. By the way, I saw Kevin joining us again. So, Kevin is kind of back. So, watch out. He'll post some charts probably. Yeah? He's the more experienced guy. So, when he's posting a weekly chart, I tend to look at that chart because I definitely could see something there. Like I said with Zach. Well, Zach, give me something on higher time frame. I could do it myself, but, well, I'm kind of lazy and they have more experience, so why not? Exactly like Bochan is doing. Bochan knows he did the couple 1, he did the couple 2, but he's coming here and, well, what do you think about that one? Well, you know these things. Well, yeah, I know, but give me your opinion. Not the fact that he doesn't know, but, well, it's easier. Come here, that's why we have the community. Come here, ask someone else. Exit liquidity, well, until we'll get to exit liquidity, Grega, we have a long road. I don't know if in time, but in money. Why? The public is not really here. In my humble opinion. Maybe we have the local top, but not the big one. Now, look at this one. Similar. Flow. Look at this one. I will not repeat the same story because it's the same fucking chart. W's breakout, hopefully for a retest. Similar here. Look at this one. Just look at it. How really nice is this W. Weekly W. Breakout. Retest. Pray for a retest here because we can see a scenario will go straight up. Why will not retest? Well, I think we are retesting already something now. But definitely dollar cost averaging, little old lady, it's good here, it's good at the retest, it's good anywhere in this area. Magic, similar, look at it. We have a long here, we are at 1-to-1. Similar stuff. Mina, this one is, sorry to say, but we had a W breakout retest. It's done already. It's one step forward, this one. Yeah, what we are waiting for this move on the other ones. This one, it's gone. We'll go higher. We can see another retrace. Well, if we'll see it, buy it. But it's not so probable. Here, W's breakout. SNX. Look at this one. We are long. Look at it. Just look at the chart. And this one, it's a bit stronger. It's kind of stronger than the rest. I don't know. Seems like wants to do something really nice in this bull market, but for me it's hard to buy it at $2 when the top was 4 and when the bottom was, let's see what the bottom was. You can see 10 cents, 5 cents, and now we're at $2 and you want me to buy here hoping that will reach 100. I have a small bag, but nothing special. Didn't give me the opportunity to really load. On altcoins, yeah. On Bitcoin, well, I don't know where Bitcoin will be. And I don't want to guess. Well, that's my overview. I'll go on lower time frame just to show you what I'm doing. and what Stefan is doing, what VIP and Premium are doing on Crypto Traders Arena, most of them. So that's how the chart is looking. That's my screen now. Something similar with this one. Okay, so I'll go here. That's why, by the way, the Black Friday for TradingView is coming close. I don't know if I'll use a referral or shield you to use my referral. I don't really enjoy doing that. But because it's the Crypto Traders Arena account, and usually I take the money or the bonuses from there, what is from the community, and I put it in a giveaway, I think I could do that. I think it starts tomorrow. I should post. If I'll remember, I'll post our referral for TradingView. Anyway, we had, for example, today we had a trade. And I said, well, wait for 78.6. That's our entry. Why I said that? Well, we tested 61.82 many times. We front run it. And because it's weekend, then in the weekend you get a dip. And we got a dip here. We bounced 1-to-1. I told to move stop at scratch, take some profit off at 1-to-1 if you want, and you can see what happened. Didn't do the SFU, that makes me think it's not over yet. Could be over? Yeah. I missed, when I started live streaming here, I missed the bottom on altcoins? Possible. Something I can do? No. I'll use Holy Grail and I'll chase them anyway. Okay? So that's my thinking on lower time frame. Well, we are trading day in, day out. More than 2x gain. 2x gain? I don't get you, Patrick. 2x, 2r. What you're trying to say there? Well, we have two ways to, let's just give you something from VIP or from Premium. We have two ways to manage a trade. One way, it's we are at 1-to-1, we are moving stop loss at scratch. If the market comes back, stop us out, next bus. Second way is at 1-to-1, we are closing 50% of the trade. That will make us a risk-free position. I close 50% in profit here. I'll leave the stop loss at the original entry. If the market comes back down and takes my stop loss, with the profit I made when I sold here, it's a break-even trade. I have to calculate the fees, but approximately. So, depending on the scenarios, it's a breakout, it's a retest, it's the market violent, it's not violent. I could see a trend or is not a trend. There are different ways and different aspects of the market, but that's basically it. So Patox, if you are referring to the trading part, that's my way how I'm trading. I'm not taking all the profit at 2R in this bullish environment. I'm trailing the fuck out of it with Holy Grail. Now, let's go back. So that's what I see usually here. I'll give you an example on Aevo. Okay. So I'm on 15-minute chart. You can see something is off. Why? It's off because I was on 5-minute chart. I took the entry here. Okay. I took the entry here. I got at 5-to-1. I closed 50%. Okay. 50%. And then I changed to 15-minute chart so I could trail. This move down stopped me out here. So I need to hunt again on Aevo. I have my bags packed on Aevo. Why? Well, let's look at Aevo on weekly chart. It's a good one to show you. Why look at it. Just look at it. Could go all the way down close to zero. I don't fucking care. I have a trade here. I have one stop loss at zero, stop loss, without stop loss. But you get the idea. Look at it, this one. Well, if I'll buy at 40 cents, around 30 cents, 40 cents, my average is below 40 cents. Okay? And I have a good bag. And I'm kind of diamond hands, but in the good way, not the bad way, riding all the way down to the bottom. Okay? In the right moment, the diamond hands, they are good. And taking this one here and pushing all the way up, $22.5. Well, it's still strong. I don't see weekly EMs. I don't care about short drops. No, that's normal in an altcoin. Will drop 50%. Okay, drop. If I don't see weekly EMs, I don't touch that one. And let's see, this one will touch the highs because it's a new coin. 3.9, $4. Well, that's a 10x. And we'll push, I don't know, to $40. Well, that's 100x. I'm a smart and diamond hands buying at 40 cents and holding as long as possible. When I'll see weekly EMs, I'll have to sell some. Because I don't have a way to sell something here. The double is too small to use even house level. I don't fucking have any idea how to do it. So I'll hold as long as possible. If P-Cycle will tell me on Bitcoin, well, watch out, it's almost over, well, I'll set some stop losses. Not market sell, set some stop losses. Well, they are. Depending on the environment. A lot of us, Patox, we have PTSD. You know what that means? We used in the bear market to see the market pumping 100% to the short level, close enough, and going back down. And we have a problem with that. It's in our brains, because that give us some troubles. And now when you're seeing that the market is pumping, we have the tendency, well, sell the motherfucker because we'll go back down. Well, different environment, people. Totally different environment now. The winner will be the guy who is able to take $1,000, $10,000, buy coins like IEVO here. Let's say I'll buy $1,000 IEVO here and don't care about it. Let's see how high I can push. I will not get scared in a 50% retracement. I will not get scared at the all-time high. I want to see the P-Cycle top telling me, knock, knock, it's almost time. When I'll see weekly EMs, I could think about selling. A guy with $10,000 doing this, buy at the bottom and sell at the close to the top. You cannot sell the top. Exactly the top. Only if you are lucky with one coin. But you get the idea. That will be the best trader possible. The problem is, people are not selling close to the top. People are riding all the way back down. People believing that, well, I'm the best trader, I did that, I'm the best trader. Well, fuck no, you are an investor, you bought some. It's an up-only environment. If you are on the right side of the market, you'll make money. But this environment will come back 4 years from now. In the next period of time, 4 years, you have to learn how to trade. That's why we have Cap 1. And you can see here, it's not a joke. So people are saying, well, it's a program. Well, no, it's not a joke. It's a 4 months program with another 8 months premium access. Damn cheap and pretty complete. So you have 3 weeks here, a lot of weeks here, and another month here. No, this is the first part actually. You can see 1, 2, 3 weeks. Technical, you have 8, and then you have the practical part, another 4 weeks. So it's not a joke. If you want to learn, now that you made some profit, someone was saying even today, well, I think I made enough money to join Cap 1. Okay, it's not bad. And you can review the materials as long as you want. It's not with limited access. No, you paid, you have access on that documents, on the videos. Actually, you don't have too many videos. You'll have live streams with me. Catalin, why you are smiling? So you get the idea. Now, let's go back. Let's go back on, if you want, you can find this our site and you can see premium what we are offering. We have a good offer for already premium membership. Premium members, I want to give them the best. So I said 1 year plus 6 months. If you are not a premium yet, you'll get 1 year plus 3 months, Black Friday. Okay. VIP, we have an offer. December plus January at a cheaper price. Okay, 25% off. Cap 1 until the end of the year. Access from the moment you pay old price below $1,000. I think is the best. Yeah, Cap 2, we don't have an offer for Cap 2 yet, but I think we can do one in December. I don't know. I think we can do something. We have an offer for Capua 2, but for the students from Capua 1. I want to see them, how many of them will join Capua 2, so I'll know if I'll open Capua 2 for the public. That's the normal thing in our community, from Capua 1 to Capua 2. We made some exceptions, but they're exceptions. Now, Holy Grail is your best friend in this environment, people. Your best friend. I don't need to go and check the entire list. I don't need to do that. But some of them are starting, some of them they had a really nice uptrend. It's up to you to follow. Look at this one. Nice one. Look at Ripple, what uptrend it had. Okay, uptrend will be over at some point. You'll be stopped out here. But look at this one. Just look at this one. You ride the wave from 59 cents? Well, show me another one. Show me another indicator that will tell you buy at 60 cents and ride all the way up at 145. Just show me something else. No? And we can, I could give you multiple examples. Let's go back on a higher time frame perspective, and let's see what we have on economic calendar. This week we have some news. You can see Wednesday, big news. Friday, Monday next week. Okay, PMI next week. So pretty easy week from our perspective. Tuesday FOMC minutes. That could shake up a little bit the market, just a little bit more. So pay attention on the news. Have this calendar. Have some alarms. You can put some alarms even on TradingView. Okay. You take the date and the hour, you go here and you just put a line like this. Yeah? Let's find a horizontal line. Where the fuck I have it? I don't have it. Well, I'll find one. Yeah? Just put one exactly at the moment and set an alarm here. Add alert. It's that simple, guys. And TradingView will tell you, motherfucker, you have big news, stay the fuck out. Put it to 10, 15, 1 hour before the news. Don't put it exactly in the news. It's easy. You don't need anything else. Just TradingView, it's enough. So, pretty acceptable week from a news perspective. Now, a lot of people ask me about where are in the road to financial freedom plan. Where are we? People, we are still here. Last moments, but we are still here. And we are still in the first part of the plan. Some people say, well, I'll remove all the shorts. Well, it's a bit risky. It's acceptable. I get why you are doing that. But the plan was different. Well, why? Well, the plan said to short until the market will not come back to your short. So I'm still in this part of the plan. Okay? When the market will not come back to fill my short, then I know I should look for weekly, monthly Ws. We have them already on some of them. Draw some house levels and set the sell orders. Getting in this part. Okay? That's the deal. That's the plan. We are still nice. Some of the altcoins, 3 altcoins, I guess. I don't know exactly because I have too many people. But 3 altcoins, I think they already give us a shot. So soon enough, we'll have money to play around. Well, where is that? Not here. Here. Well, I think Miku didn't update it already. He'll do it this week or next week. No, actually, this week. It's Sunday already. Because he didn't update Mana and the rest. It's updated? So why I still see minus 67? Well, I don't see any shots. Maybe something from me. Fully updated? Well, thank you, Miku. I'll look and see. We need some money, free money from this plan. We need more shots, and it's getting there. You can see the market is going that direction to load, to put more orders. So I don't see the point why I should review the coins now, because we don't have money to do anything else. We have the order set, we have locked a lot of cash in the orders, and we are waiting. When we'll have money free to load up again, we can go and we can look at the market. There are some orders that maybe are too low. I don't know. We'll see. We'll discuss that. Miku, please give me the coins that they did a shot, if you want. Okay, thank you. Now, let's change this one. We'll take a little bit. And let's say load another one. Let's do Holy Grail. Okay. That will give me something. Holy Grail. What is happening here? Oh. I don't want Holy Grail. Sorry, guys. I'll load the road to financial freedom. Load a new load. This one. Nah, that's better. And now I should go here. That's my way. It's a bit strange what I'm doing here, but that's my way of doing things. I know it's different from what Kevin and Brian and everyone else is doing. Weekly crypto review. But that's my way to see the coins. And now, Miku is saying about Xlumen on Futurist. There you go. Let's go on weekly. And let's see what we have. And I think we have a shot there. I think, no? Well, we bought and we sold half on a double. And I told you not to sell here. Only on short. People will say, well, you are stupid. Well, maybe I am. But the plan it's made and I'll respect it. You had 2 shots, Grega. Why? Because you are taking 2 shots. We have 1 shot because we said in our plan that we don't want to sell our free coins here. We want to sell them close to the top. So we have a different approach. But you can see weekly W here is not ready yet overall market. But this one is ready for a house level, no? What do you say? It's ready for a house level? Let's put a house level. And you can see we are not taking this in consideration. This is the confirmation. This is the first level. We should theoretically sell, but not sell half on a double, just a small part. Yeah. So this is the first house level. We'll sell. It's not ready yet. Last phase of the first part of the plan. But you can see it's clear. That's Xlumen. Let's see the next one. Mana. Well, I have a lot of mana. You know, people, I have a lot of mana. I have mana even from the last bull cycle. I have mana. I bought mana here in this area. I bought mana here. I took a lot of here and I said, well, I'll keep some. Maybe this is the best thing ever and mana will conquer the world. I don't know. So I still have some. I bought some here. And well, let's activate this one. Come on. Let's hide the VPVR. It doesn't help me. So you can see weekly W's. Well, just by mistake. Our order, it's exactly at the weekly W. And we sold. We sold half on a double. Now we have free mana. Our patience is rewarded. For the people who didn't trust this kind of thinking. Well, I don't know about that. Well, look at it. Mana is not dead. Mana is not going anywhere. Mana is pumping and giving us free coins. Okay? And here we have weekly W's, but I'm not putting my house level here. No. I want the big one, this one. So the house will be drawn from this level to this level. I'll prefer to see the breakout and the retest. This level it's a bit lower. I don't care. I'll put it there. I will not use these small W's for my house level. That's why I said, well, let's wait a little bit. Because if I'll put something like this, well, I want at least this level for my house level. Okay. Now back on weekly. So we have a shot here. Really nice. Let's take another one. 111. I think this one. You can see, people. If we are consistent and we are doing our job, it's really easy without emotions, without stupid moon boy thinking, just making money. And this plan was for everyone, for free. I made the plan. Miku made the spreadsheet with his friends. And well, let's give it for free for everyone, for our community to benefit. Nothing to give back, just free. Take it and make money. But we didn't give you, or some of you didn't give you something else you don't have. Patience. Sorry, I don't have enough to give all of you. I have enough for me, but it's enough. So you can see, we bought here again, weekly W. Well, what a strange coincidence. W at 78.6 from this one. Well, classic. Okay, shot, and hopefully we'll get another shot. The last one is Sand. Well, Sand had a really nice move. I don't have as much as I wanted, but anyway. Look at this one. Buying a little bit higher this time. Sorry guys. I put my my limit order here a bit higher than where we for the weekly W. But you get the idea. That was power of 3. Yeah? On weekly basis, look at the power of 3. Just 1 second. Yeah? Look at power of 3 here. Textbook one on weekly. Yeah? W's and shooting higher. Really nice. Really textbook play from our way of trading, of Capua One, of people who learn from Brian Beamish mostly. Yeah? Because I learned the process, the way to trade, and basic technical analysis from Brian Beamish. By the way, in 2 hours, he'll start live streaming on his channel, on TRI channel. So go and follow him. And if you are there, say hello from my side. I'll be there in the shadows as every time. Yeah. He has a different approach. I have a different one. I'm more aggressive. Every trader is different. But I learned to trade from him, and I'll mention him every time I'll have the opportunity. Yeah. We need more people like him. Yeah. I don't know if we need more people like me, but more people like him, definitely. We need real traders. We need people that they are not saying bullshit and they are trying to keep this, the public making some money. Not only 1% to make money and the public or the retail, everyone to lose money. We need our part, at least 10% of us to make some money. The more, the better. Okay. Well, you are a student of Brian Beamish, Greg. I know that. I think you are a level 3er, if I'm not wrong. I'm below you. I'm a level 2. And I'll tell you honestly, Brian offered me as a gift the level 2. He said, "Motherfucker, you are live streaming with me. You are on my side. You are talking with me, and you don't have at least level 2. Go and do level 2. That's your gift. Just go and do it." And I had to do it. And I enjoy it, and I'm grateful for that. No? Yeah, I didn't do level 3. I think it's too much for me. I don't know. I prefer simple approach, people. I know it's value in level 3. It's a lot of value. I'm not saying it's not, but not for me. I'm a simple stupid trader. Just give me a reload zone, give me a W at 78.6, give me an LJ, give me a general setup, or a 3-step setup, and it's enough. It's enough to make money. Just be damn consistent, respect your fucking plan, don't be a moon boy, and you'll make money. That's why we are here, no? To make money. For investors, yes. For investors, yes. Or in Capua One, we are trying to get people from 0 to swing traders. It's a different approach what we have. But level 1 on TRI is good for investments. Definitely, it's more than enough. And to be a swing trader, you have to stay around Brian longer to become a swing trader. Because taking only level 1, I don't know. You need to practice, that's for sure. Anywhere you'll go, you need to practice. But definitely, I learned from Capua One, and I put a lot more effort, and I'm a scalper now. No, I'm not a fan of paper trading, Rega. Sorry. It's a different approach with us. I'm a fan of $100 challenge. Paper trading is just to see if has any reasons to think in that direction. Paper trading means cheating. Paper trading means you will not calculate the position size. You don't have any skin in the game. You will not have emotions. And 10,000 paper trades don't value as $1,100 challenge. It's advantage for someone that already have the consistency. Like, for example, Miku. Okay, if you give Miku paper trading, he doesn't care. He knows, he has the process in his mind. He's really consistent. He can respect any fucking plan he put his mind to it. So he's working for him. Don't be upset. But for the rest of us people, stupid people, we need some emotions. Why we need emotions to learn? Because our brain is seeing the information faster, and you learn a lot faster with $1 per trade. Sorry, Miko. Don't be upset. So I'm not a fan of paper trading. I had some discussion with a lot of people on that thing. I put some skin in the game. And we are calling $100 challenge. Why? You are taking trades with your portfolio will be $100. You are taking 1% risk per trade, and you are trying to double the money with respecting your plan. If you'll succeed, you have a chance. If you'll do it over and over again 3 or 4 times, you have a good chance. If you manage after that to do a challenge from $100 to $1,000, then you are good to go. You can add more money. But people are thinking, well, if I have access to Binance, if I have some money on Binance, I'm a trader. No, you're not. You're just a victim. A good one, an easy one. And you are, people, I'm trying to scare you, but you are the perfect candidate for the 90-90-90 rule. You know that? You should know it. A lot of people from Crypto Traders Arena know that rule. Someone in the chat, please tell me word by word what is 90-90-90 rule. Yeah? I'll give time. We have a bit of lag. I'll give time in the chat to see what is that rule. Okay. So we have the last double is sand. Well, I really like it. More will come? Of course will come. I was discussing with Miko and he said, well, I have a center percentage up from my account. I don't believe it. Well, that's nothing. When you'll see your account 50% up, 80% up overnight, 100% overnight, well, that will be something. And probably we'll see that. Will be easy? No, it's easier in the bear market to hold your horses and buy and short than now. Now it's really hard to hold your horses and don't sell and don't panic and don't keep your heart healthy. You'll feel it. You'll feel when why? Because you are respecting the plan. You are risking a small amount of money. Well, if we go to zero, fuck it, doesn't care. But when you see your portfolio doubling in one night and then 50% down on the next day and then up to 100%, you cannot help it. You respect the plan. You are a good guy. You are the best, but you have to be strong and support the emotions. And nothing you can do to avoid it. Seven times, Grega? Well, to double your account 7 times, that means a lot of money, Grega. If you do, you know what I mean. 7 times? I don't think you need that money, Grega. Honestly, I don't think you need that money. Be honest. Let's assume you have 10,000. Just 1 second, Patox. We'll get to there, and we'll do it. Yeah. Let's say you have 10,000. Double, it's 20,000. The second double is 40,000. The third double, it's 80,000. 160, 320, and how much money you want? I think you have more than $10,000 in this market. Come on, be real. Anyway. You'll do 5. Okay. Nobody answer me to that question. 90-90 rule. 90-90-90 rule. That's from Anton Kreil. He didn't invent it, but he mentioned it, and I learned it from him. You want to know what it is? The new people. Grega, you don't know what 90-90-90 rule is? You don't learn it on TRI. Yeah, that's one. That's the one. No. Yeah, that's the rule. 90% of the people will lose 90% of their funds in 90 days. If you don't have experience, if you don't know how to trade, you are the perfect candidate for that. And the Binance knows that, and any exchange knows that. That's why they are promoting themselves. Why? They need new stupid money. Your stupid money. Because if 90% of the people will lose 90% of the money in 90 days, they need new money to trade. They need new people because you lost your money. They need a new guy to trade. That's why they are promoting themselves. Okay? That's why, that's a reason, if you think clear, that's the reason I don't accept referrals for exchanges, for any kind of things. Because it's a conflict of interest. If I'm making money from the fees you pay on the exchange, I'm on your side, or honestly, I'm against you. Because if I'm accepting that, that means I'll benefit from your fees, and I want you to make volume. I don't care if you are profitable. No? So we don't accept things like that on Crypto Traders Arena. Sorry. If you want to find an exchange, go and find it. You can ask us. We'll tell you, but will not apply a referral. With some exceptions. Stefan wants to trade, for example, on Stars Arena. You can follow Stefan on Stars Arena and take his referral. I don't have anything against it. You can even use our referral to count the number of people are joining from Crypto Traders Arena. I don't have a problem. That's something different, okay? But not things that... anyway, if you are a follower from our referral, the money I'll get from the referrals, I'll put them in a giveaway and I'll give it back to the community. As every time. Let's keep it clear, nice. I don't need that money. I made nice money. For some people it's really nice money. For some people it's not. I made some money on their token because I traded there and because I was active at some point. And the tokens they give me, they worth now kind of $1,000. And they are just at the beginning. So I could, well, if you have a portfolio below $10,000, you can go there, be active. I don't know, trade some shit there. And they'll give you some arena. You can stake that. And you can make some money. You know, in the bull market, everything pumps. Everything produces some money. So why not? But, general rule, no referrals here. We have our own referral. If you have a friend and he will join us and you'll tell me, well, that's my referral, that's my friend, you'll have 10% off. You'll have 10% from what he's paying. If it's a really good friend, you have the opportunity to give him 10%. So he will pay 10% less because you recommended him. That's the best way I could think of to grow our community with serious people, without moon boys. So that's the last show. Let's see what someone is asking for. Okay. Special Olympics. I like that one. Patox and Kian, please tell me the time frame. Just tell me what you want to hear, because here we are investors and scalpers. I could look at 1 minute, I could look at 1 week. There you go. I'll start with weekly. Okay, let's put the chart here. Well, it's looking, let me tell you how it's looking. It's looking the same like everything else. Buyable. Just look at it. Patox, you are from us. You seem... I remember that name. I don't know where. I don't know if you are a premium member, or you are a TRIer, or you are from Hughes. I remember that name. but not good enough to tell you exactly where. Well, I don't think it's needed to draw the fib levels. Come on, it's just not point. Let's put the volume profile. Well, let me guess. It's exactly at the POC. Can you imagine that? Just look at it. It's just waiting, people, for you to buy it. You have, not probable. I think it's easy to get a 10R here, a 10X. Now you can see $1. I need to draw the short reload zone. Sorry, I need to use the fibs. They are my favorite tool, you know that? So take me all the tools and just leave me with the fib and I'll be okay. Market structure and fib is more than enough to make money. There you go. I can see 61.8 in $1 here. Pretty easy. Candle body highs on weekly. Look at it. They are sitting there at $1, just below $1. Weekly W's. We have them. Breakout. Looks similar and damn nice. So that NKN will go here. Okay. So I'll go here and I'll add it here and I'll add it there. Why? Because I have the weekly W is kind of a power of 3 now developing here. Let's hide this one. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see what we have. Well, this was the support, the strong support. Now is resistance. We just accepted above, people. Power of 3 textbook setup. You should learn power of 3. Stefani is the best to ask about power of 3. I know the concept. I understand it. I use it for Confluence, but I'm not using as a setup. So consolidation, manipulation, and expansion. That's the idea. Now you can see. Consolidating, manipulation. Well, it was a long one. W's, weekly W's. You can see a good level. It's a fucking good level. I could use weekly W's or I could use power of 3 is the same level. It's similar here. What we have here? Well, we have W's. We have the breakout. You should chase here. Well, look left here. You can see this is a resistance. Even if we push higher, don't chase. Wait for a retest. That's your entry somewhere in that area. And then you can say like moon boys to the moon. That's my thinking on weekly chart here. Yeah? If you want to play classically, well, when you don't know where this one will stop, when you don't know different aspects, well, you can do it like this. If the market will pump here, you just wait in the long reload zone for another W. Okay? Classic. Now you can see the long reload zone 61.8. It's exactly at the same level I draw. Exactly the same level was support a long period of time, really important level, and now was resistant at some point. Now we managed to accept above this week. So classic, nothing you can do more than that. Let's see. The guy was okay. So that's the best approach you can have here. You should wait at the market and well, if you drop here, I'll buy it. No. Why? You'll have emotions here. So set a limit order here. The best approach here, it's little old lady, I'll be honest. It's too damn close. Look at the lows. 0.04 what? You can buy without a stop loss here, sell half on a double if you want, and ride all the way up. Okay? More than welcome, Patox. I don't know where I know you. If you want, you can tell me in the chat. If not, DM me. I think you are from, you're already in our community. Okay. Well, NKN is not futurist here, it's spot. I'm not looking from a... You can chase this one if you want. You have some news or you think you will go all the way up here. Yeah, Holy Grail, 50-minute chart. I could guarantee you, you'll have a setup there. Okay. Let's put 50-minute chart. I don't know what will happen. Let's just see. 50-minute chart. Let's see. We had a trend. We had a damn good one. Look at this one. Ugly. Someone market sold here. And you can see entry Yeah? You exit here. Well, you made some nice money. Now you don't have a trend on 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart. You should wait for a trend to happen. And that will take some time. Imagine, people, this was starting here. That was November 21. And you had the first signal and you exited here. No, Saturday, November 23. 2 days. And don't think it's scalping using Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. It's actually swing trading. I could tell you that. Holy Grail on 50-minute chart is close to swing trading. Close, not quite. It's between day trading and swing trading. Yeah? So don't think it's hard to trade 50-minute chart. No, it's not. You just have to be consistent and respect the fucking rules. Simple. Where you should enter? Where you should enter when you get a signal from this indicator. Yeah? I'll tell you here, buy. Where you should put your stop loss? Well, when you say you see buy, you'll see the stop loss here on this table. Pretty simple. But as a rule, just below this tick line. Simple as that. That's the entry. Some people ask me if you can set an alarm. Of course you can. You just go here and set an alarm. Okay? Set an alarm and just leave this one. Alert, any function call. Why? That will give you an alarm every time you get an entry. If you change the settings, well, that's up to you. The alarm will work with the settings at the moment you set it up. So you took an entry here. Okay? Took an entry here. Your stop loss is here. Just below. And you'll say, well, I'll exit when the market will tell me to exit. I don't want to use a take profit. And you can see, you exit here at 4 hours. And you can see I have an alarm here. Something is telling me something. So I have some alarms here. Let's close them. Yeah? You exit here. Why? Your stop loss should be here. You moved your stop loss here, 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 all the way up. And here, when the market did this, you exit in profit 4 hours, more than happy. Now you can take 3 stop losses and be break even. I'm joking. So it's easy to trade. Someone asked me, well, the Holy Grail is giving me different setups, different long or short, depending on the time frame. Of course it is doing that. On different time frames, you have different trends. You can see now it's in a short position. You should take the shorts? No. You should take only the longs. You are in a clear uptrend on higher time frame. Okay? So that's, David, that's your tutorial for Holy Grail. I see you here. Okay? There are different ways to use it. You can take entry here, stop loss here, take 50% at 5-1 and trail the rest. Or take 50% at 2-1. Or say, for example, I'll take the entry here as I showed you and I'll exit everything at 5 hours. It's up to you. Paper trade, I don't recommend it, but trade, find what you like and set a setup with Holy Grail. People, I'm not selling this indicator. It's a bonus because I made it for me, for specific this kind of environment, and I offer this for our community. Premium and VIP, they just give me their trading username and I give him the access. If you are a premium member, if you are a VIP member and you don't have access, well, DM me with your TradingView username and I'll give you access. Okay? Let's take more requests. Nobody has any requests? Well, I see someone. GP says Myro. Well, if you will tell me the time frame, I'll be more than happy to do it. Because if you don't, I'll assume it's Bitcoin is going down. I'll assume it's we don't have a spot market on Binance. USDT. You don't have it on Binance. Let's put it on KuCoin. There you go. I have Myro only on Futures on. We can look at Myro on Futures on Binance if they have more history, but I think they don't have. I think this is what we got. Well, if it's all we got, this is the volume profile, and you can see the POC. The POC is actually here at 6 cents, half of the price we have now. Okay, that's weekly. What I see here, I see something nice you don't see too often, and I see an LJ setup setting up. You don't know what a LJ is? Well, you should join us and you'll find it out. Come on. That's better. So, LJ says on weekly chart that we should get a complete W, the other side of this trend line. We are the other side, we just don't have a weekly W. That's for investors. We have weekly Ws here. Well, we have 1, we have 2. We retested the original one. On lower time frame, if you find an entry here, it's not bad. The problem I have, the POC is in this area, so we can retest the POC once again. Now, I'll go on daily. Let's see what we get. Let's hide the volume profile, is the same. Nothing we can do about it. You can see no clear W, not even on daily. Even if I'll take the LJ from this perspective, from daily perspective. No clear W. This is not a W. Okay, so I see something bad here. Something bad. Not bad. Nothing is bad. Just something to cool off your engines about this one. You can see. We'll confirm all the way down here. But accepting below 50%, 50 line on RSI is not a good sign. Never it's a good sign. Okay. So cool off your engines. And I think the daily approach should be something like this. Because we have the divergence, we should take the low of the lows here. And here, in the long reload zone, if you'll see a daily W, you can play it. On 4-hour chart, I could even anticipate what I'll see. I could see an AB equals CD to the downside. Was bullish. The meme coin season is almost fading away. The old shit coins are pumping, and the people are not interested in buying this one anymore. Sorry. So we have AB, we can clone that one, and I could see CD, and that is giving me the same area. Getting back in the long reload zone here and seeing a W like this one, that will make me wanting to play a little bit. Retesting of this level, 8 cents, it's a good area to think about it. Here, I don't have anything to give me anything. It's that simple. Yeah, I have, if you want to play on lower time frame, lower, 1 hour, 4 hour, I have this one. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, if I'll go there, you'll see. Well, I have the long reload zone here, from this low to this high. I think you can consider on 1 hour, this is a swing low now. For the W here, it's a valid one. This is the swing high, this is the long reload zone. Give me a W here, and maybe. But overall, I could see AB equals CD pointing out here to 78.6. So I don't see a bullish setup. Maybe you wanted to look for something now. No, I don't see it. I see DMs here, but I don't recommend you to shorten altcoin in this fucking environment. I'll say it again. Remove short from your vocabulary in this environment. Well, I don't know what you need, but you can join us and you will hear more of what you said you need. Because we are trying to keep it clear and honest here. We're not to say, well, to the moon. No. Remove the short from your vocabulary. We are in a damn strong market, but don't chase. Wait for clear setups. Wait for something to... Okay, the next one. It's smarter to spread dollar across several coins on spot and stick to it. Well, we have a road to financial freedom, almost 100 coin paddocks. On the last chance challenge, we have almost 50 coins, 50 new coins on that plan. It's on premium last chance challenge investment plan, and we have almost 50 coins. Of course, I want to spread more than 20, and I want more than 3-4 hours. I don't know what you are saying. Anyway, a plan is a plan. You made the plan, you respect the plan. The thinking is done in the time you are making the plan. After the plan is done and you have the plan and you say, well, from this point I'll execute, stop thinking. There's nothing to think about. Nothing. You don't have to think. no if, no but. That will just stay in the way of you respecting the plan. From that point on, you have to execute. You are a robot, you are a machine, you are executing. Simple as that. You want to trade like algo? Be an algo. Remove your emotions. It's possible? Yeah, on higher time frame it's possible. Well, Andrei, sorry to disappoint you, but Paul is against tattoos. At least for me, I don't have anything against you getting a tattoo. I don't have a problem with that. I could respect that. It's your decision. It's your skin. It's your... But for me, no. You have to... You understand, Andrei, I come from a background of being a cop for more than 15 years. I'm against that kind of thinking. Yeah? So let's get to what we are talking now. Now, that's Myro here. Sorry, that's my opinion. Go back on weekly. Like I told you, long reload zone here, W, another W here in maybe OBV, RSI, acceptable. I'm not complaining about this one. Okay, people, more requests. Well, we have on 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and a half. I see consistently 32, 35 people still watching. If you have Troy requests on weekly, okay. You said it multiple times, I think, Andrei. Sorry about that. I'm by myself here. I don't know. I'm trying my best. What is that? What is that, Andrei? Well, it looks acceptable. Not the best, but acceptable. You can see potential here. Let's get back in the good habit to put the volume profile and see where the POC is. Well, yeah, not bad. You should chase here? Nah. You have weekly doubles? Yeah, but not the big ones. You have the small ones you want to enter with a setup, with a trade. But you don't have the big ones. Now, let's zoom in. This was the weekly W. And you cannot chase a market here. It's just impossible for me. That's the level you want to buy. That's half of the price you have now. Well, what you can do here? Well, if this is the top, that's the local top, you can do something like this. And you should wait for another W at 78.6. Probably the market will do the same thing. By coincidence. Well, someone said about Troy, I think. So you can see that's the weekly chart. No, sorry, Andrei, you said in the chat 2 times or 3 times about the same coin. I saw it and I spoke about something else. So that's weekly chart. I don't see any point to go on lower time frame. Just no point. It's too volatile for that. Let the market cool off. Will cool off. Is like a pump and dump for the moment. Coming back down here, make a new W, and that's your entry. If you want to blindly buy this level. Put a limit order here. If you are lucky enough and you'll get this level, it's good enough for little old lady. Buy, put a sell half on a double after that, sell half of the coins, you have a free position, your money back in your pocket. You cannot get better than that. Okay? That's my approach. Okay, now, anything else? Let's see another one. FTM, well, why not? I'll look at FTM just briefly and then I'll do to the next one. Okay, that's weekly. You cannot chase that one there. Come on, people. If you bought it there, you can see here. Maybe here was a level. It's going up? Okay, of course it's going up. Was low too much time. We bought it here. And we discussed this motherfucker. And people are saying, well, it's dead. I don't know what the founder did. And I said, well, come on, people, just wake up. It's too big. It's too nice. It's just the FUD. And look at it. We bought it at 25 cents. Now it's $1. Huh? Chasing here, impossible for me. We'll get an opportunity, probably, yeah. When? I don't know. Who's dead? Yeah. Well, it's so dead that Miko, I bet. Miko, how much in percentage-wise from your portfolio you have FTM? Okay, please, in percentage-wise, we don't allow dollar amounts on Crypto Traders Arena. So the people with $2 million in their account and people with $2,000 in their account, they could not feel a difference. Yeah, I want percentage-wise. It's the only way you can say, well, I made 2%. Okay. Well, do an effort, Miko. Please do an effort. Okay. Someone said about you, said Troy, okay, JFX. I'll do that and then I'll look at Grega list and I will call it a session. It's more than enough, I think. Yeah? We can, I know, we can stay here and do 3 hours. It's that kind of environment, I know that. But you have to understand me. By myself, it's Sunday night, it's 7:41 p.m. here. And okay, so let's do what I said. This one, I put the right one. Yeah. Well, let's clear the old chart because you want to see what I draw here at some point in time. Okay, I'll show you what I draw here. W's at some point, some house levels. You can see we exceeded. Nothing special. Same technical analysis, people. Same technical analysis. Now, let's put this one and let's zoom out. It's a good level. They are forming weekly W's here. Could go all the way back down here at some point in time. Well, yeah. I could buy with little old lady and make some money here. I think so. We have a monthly W, people. We have a monthly W here. Well, let's show you the monthly W then. This is a textbook monthly W. Well, if I have a monthly W, what is the next step with my stupid thinking? Well, my stupid thinking says house. Well, this is the first level. I don't really want to sell there. It's high. Okay. This is the first level and this is the second one. And if you want higher one, you can go higher. But you get the idea. That's monthly. Looking at monthly, it's a good level to buy here? I think so. To invest? Yeah. To use little old lady? Yes. To dollar cost average? Yes. Let's go back on weekly. Come on. We have weekly W's, breakout retest, and we are making another W. Will happen tomorrow? Will go to the moon? No. But it's buyable? Yes. Indicators. Well, I think they are looking okay-ish. Don't you think? Look at RSI. Just hope that will accept above this high, will form a W, and will accept above 50%, which is a good sign. Okay. So it's buyable. On daily, let's look at daily. Well, on daily you have W's breakout and looks similar. RSI, it's already above 50 and so on. Okay. 1 week. Well, I don't know about Mondays. We are pretty busy here, Forest. Pretty busy. Why? We are doing Sunday. I'm doing this one. Monday is kind of putting everything together. Monday high, Monday low, and maybe some setups. From now on, next month I have Tuesday. I have live stream for Capua 1 because I'm reviewing all the trades Tuesday and Friday. Wednesday, well, okay, we have Capua 2 where I'm attending with Stefan there. Well, I'm not doing too much every week because Stefan is taking care of most of the things. Then we have Thursday where we are trading like maniacs because it's a good environment usually. Friday I have again Capua 1 live stream and I have to trade, do the daily crypto plan and New York session every day of the week. So we are booked. We are pretty full. I'm enjoying this. Yeah, I made this community to grow it bigger and be a really nice environment. Yes. It's a lot of work. Definitely. But I enjoy it for the moment. Well, I have to take, I cannot say no to honey. I just can't do it. I can't do it. What's the render? What's the ticker? Look at it. Look at it. RNDR. Coinbase. I think this one. Woo. Well, this one is pretty strong. You can see, honey. Strong volume profile is telling, well, the actual strong volume is here at 1.5. Will it reach that level? I hope so. Is this weekly W's? Yes. I'll chase here? No. I will do something like this, maybe for a trade. Imagine, a trade. You can see, this is a downtrend channel. If we'll accept and we'll make a weekly W, I'm forced to take it. It's my setup, I have to take it. Okay, so it's my setup. I'll chase for investments here. No, the poke is too far away. You know, it's just a fucking crypto. Okay, they had some hype. Maybe they will not come back down. I will not take it if it's the case. But it's crypto. Tomorrow, the founder could be found in a, I don't know, ugly position in Thailand, or you got the idea what I'm trying to say. I don't know what the fuck will happen. I'm not chasing, and doesn't matter what it is. I'm not chasing Bitcoin. I'll not chase render. Looking strong for a setup, for Holy Grail, for something else, of course. Yeah, you can trade it. You can find setups. You can trade it with Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. Let's do it again. Let's see. We had a trend? I don't think we have now, because we had the drop on well, the other laptop, it's in ugly mode, and I have some trades open. Guys, just give me a second. Wrong passwords every time. Well, the trade is still on. So 50-minute chart, well, you can see on 50-minute chart we have an uptrend, but I think 1 hour is better here. It's too violent for 50-minute chart, you can see. And if you see it's not respecting the 50-minute chart time frame, don't take it. Take it to 1 hour and respect the levels what the market is respecting. So don't go and trade this one on 50-minute chart, trade it on 1 hour. So Hania, yeah, if you have some, enjoy it, but it's not chaseable for us. And you know that already. Okay, let's go back on weekly. Let's remove this one. And I'll take 3 more. Okay, I think. Let's see. Well, I appreciate your kind words, Forrest, but it's something I do because I like. And I'm not a big fan of. Okay. Well, where the fuck I have it in the chat? If you'll give me enough time, Grega. Okay. If you give me enough time, I'll make a Discord live stream here with a lot of give me the fuck and a lot of things that I should not say in a YouTube video or YouTube AMP. Let's do it a short AMP, a short version. Okay. I don't want to exceed 2 hours. Buyable. Look at this one. Yeah, pockets at the bottom of the W's. You have the W's there. Nice potential. Indicators really strong. You can see accepting above 51 RSI. It's always a good sign, specifically after some W's. Okay-ish and really strong OBV. Going back here. Yeah, we can do it on speed. Not a problem. Yeah, good location. Damn good one. Let's do something like this. Pack here. Down this alternately long zone, you can see 88.6, even better than 78.6 for a W. You have the W breakout. Investing here, you can invest even at the market. I prefer to see a retest. We had the retest, that's the problem. We had the retest this week here at 0045. Buyable, yes. If you want to go on daily, Let's go a little bit on daily, come on. That's the daily. You can find the bot setup maybe there, but you can do something similar. W here. We had a retest of this W. Hopefully we'll stay a little bit more and we'll give you back the long reload zone. Buyable, really nice looking. Like it. Okay, so because you said about that, I'll look here and I'll say AMP or B? AMP. Okay, AMP or AMB. What do you say? I don't remember the ticker. AMP, okay. AMP USDT on this one. Okay, I put it in the right place. Now, the next one. You can see the power of community live. I don't have to scan the entire fucking market. I'm just going and looking. And Greg guys give me ideas. I scan them. I see this opportunity. I put it in a list and I'll hunt. Well, this one is textbook. You can see we bought some. The volume profile is telling us that we are at the POC. Let's hide this one. We had this W. We discussed this one multiple times. We had the opportunity to buy. Don't chase it. Has weekly Ws. Retest of the weekly W, same as you see here. So 2.5 cents. Perfect. If you put the long reload zone, you will see that it's in confluence. 61.8. It's close to that level. If we'll not stop, we'll go in the short reload zone, EM out, and then we'll come back. Probably. Don't chase. Looks buyable at 0 to 5. Okay. And that's Gala on spot. Let's put it in our list. Let's take the next one. OMG. Now, we don't have OMG. Where is OMG? We don't have it on Binance? Okay. We don't have it anywhere else. Bybit, perpetual. Okay, it's good enough. Good enough for me. Look at this one. Doesn't matter what it is. You can, if you find to buy it on spot, you can do it. Look at the POC. We are below the POC. Potential, yes. Weekly chart. Nah, I don't like the OBV. I'll be honest. I like the RSI instead. Weekly W, okay. Power of 3. I could see something there. Everyone could see power of 3 there. It's not ready yet. Yeah. We are still at, this is a resistance, not a support. So you can take the W. We can assume that this is a real breakout and we'll accept and we'll do a power of 3. Buyable at the market because it's close to the breakout of the W. I have to go on daily to zoom in a little bit and see the volume. Well, it's not looking bad here. So 35 cents, 30 cents in this area. Any drop here, it's a buying opportunity, Grega. So you have the weekly Ws, it's breaking out, it's trying to catch up with the entire market. It's what it's doing. It's trying to get some steam. Will succeed? I don't know. Probably yes. If the market is strong, everything will go to the OMG. Let's do the same. I'll set Bybit. Oh, it's what we get. Next one. No, that's the last one. There you go. So you saw, guys, it's easy. When you know your shit, keep it simple. You just go there. Well, weekly W, nice POC, nice OBV, nice everything. The problem, let me show you a problem. Well, let's just take this OMG. The problem was the patience to wait for the fucking weekly Ws. We didn't have weekly Ws all the way down. Stay the fuck out. Stay the fuck out. Weekly W. Buy it. Look at the result. Going back down. No weekly W. This is not a W. Going back down. Going back down. Look at the W. Buy the W. Breakout. Retest. We are still valid. We are pushing higher. The problem you have is that in this period until here, from here or from even farther away from here, you should stay the fuck out of the market if you're an investor. You should not touch it. Hands under your ass until it will fall off and just wait. That's the hard part. Not identifying weekly Ws. They are easy to see. They are easy to spot on. I'm not a guru to say, well, I saw a weekly W. Well, even a kid could see that. The process, the plan, the patience, that's the holy grail of trading. You can tell me whatever you want, but that's the holy grail of trading or investing. It's similar on trading, it's just more emotions. So people, don't look for shiny things. Buy a thing like OMG here at the W. Okay, respect the risk management. 4% from your portfolio. I don't recommend. Usually I use 1 or 2. Because this one is just a shitcoin, could go to 0 tomorrow. Simple as that. If you go to 0 tomorrow and you put in it 1%, you lose 1%, you'll say, well, that's it. Next boss. If you put 5%, you'll say, oh, a little bit harder. If you put 10%, if you put 20%, you are in trouble. If you put more than that, you are stupid. Yeah? So here you have the W, just go there, throw a fib if you want to trade, if you want to be a smart ass, okay, you can do it. You can go there, say, well, I'm the trader, I'm the shit. Oh, wait here, 61.8. Well, probably we have Stefan's setup, how he likes to call it, okay? Just simplify, take 61.8, stop loss all the way down here. You can hunt some levels. Will probably reject, is rejecting from this, what is now resistance. You can do a lot of things. You want to swing trade? Join Capo 1, it's pretty cheap. And we have the offer until the end of the year. We accept only 20 people. And I have a lot of people discussing, some people even paying and entering in the program. So I'll accept 20 people. When it will be full, I'll just send a message, it's full. So if you are in this live stream and you want to take advantage, if you are in Crypto Traders Arena and you want to take advantage, nobody is stopping you. I think everyone made some money in this up move, so nobody could say, I don't have money. It's how you want to spend it, how you want to, where you want to invest. You want to invest in you or you want to do something else. It's up to you. It's not a shield, it's a reality. You need to know what you are doing in the market to make money. Okay, we have 1 hour and a half. I think, no, we have 2 hours, people. So I think 2 hour live stream is more than enough. I see we have 28 viewers. I think it's enough. What do you say? We can call it a live stream? Anyway, tomorrow morning we'll be back with daily crypto plan and you can ask requests there also. No? Well, I don't know, Michael, if it's a show. It's a live stream where a stupid trader like me is trying to keep the community together, answer some questions, keep you grounded, don't feel the FOMO so hard. You are a consistent guy, you are day in, day out here, you're like a ninja, like Stefan is calling you. Michael is a ninja. You are always there, but nobody is seeing you. So you know me. Yeah. Consistency is the key, people. Not shiny things, not new indicators, not even Holy Grail. Yeah, it's my indicator, I made it, it's nice, it's the best tool in a strong trend. When it's a range, you can throw it away, it will not help you. So you are the key. That thing between the screen and the chair. Yeah? That's the problem. That's the key to everything. And if you have an agenda and you have a pen and you know to write a plan and you can respect that, you can be part of 10% from the retail, because we are retail. We don't have to kid ourselves. We are retail. 10% from the retail that we are making money in this market. Exactly, Miku. Interface between screen and chair. That's the problem. Every time. Feeling the FOMO, doing stupid things. I have the way how it's working for me. It's in front of you. couple 1, 4 months, another 8 months with us. If you put the time and effort, you can make something nice. You want to be a trader and you want to do something nice, it's totally up to you. Okay, let's call it a live stream. We have 2 hours even. I think it's a good moment to close the live stream. So, see you guys Monday morning, tomorrow morning with the daily crypto plan. We'll see the weekly candle, how it closed, and we can take it from there. See you guys next time. Bye bye.